morning.
Hi, Morning.
Good morning. Wow!
Wow! You want to take a picture with the doggy? This is Mammon. You can put your yes. More please. More.
Be careful, don't move back. You'll fall there. Isa, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Wow, what
Para
are you
si
doing?
ano, si Layla.
I'm playing this.
Okay.
Wow.
Yes. Okay, I'll get muffin naman, ha? 8.3 kg.
Mama.
With the mommy.
Yay! I'll get.
It's a card.
Kanina ay lumapit.
Siya nagtuturo.
When you touch it,
It's okay.
it's gonna smell.
Pag sure, oy.
This one.
Siya na expert
This
ngayon.
fluffy one.
I want to plug this down.
Oh, touch.
Oh, okay.
Ganun ba talaga?
No, it's not this. Wait,
What do you want?
Okay.
Water? Okay.
Oh, God, come on over. Yeah. Come on over.
Two album look. Not even straight.
Oh, Malerina? Si Isa, late ng steps. Yay!
Tapos baba tayo.
Hi, Isa.
Having fun.
You're having fun?
Go to the other side.
Oh, tara.
Hindi ganun siya sa inyo.
Who uses and parts.
Koi?
Ay, wow.
Wow, there's a koi. Wow.
I mean, I found a fish.
You found the fish?
Ayun pala, may mga hiking.
Different color.
A dragonfly.
Ah, pwede ko lang bumaba. Mababa. Then fruits pa. Walang isda ka lang. Ang may mga maliliit, oh.
middle.
Go through. Wow.
Tunaw mo ba?
Oh, yun. Sa gitna.
Nasa na siya? Maglaro ka din sa water, oh. Look at Jewel.
Nagigaya niya, magtapon mo. Are they eating it?
Ah, kumakain sila. Ayun, oh. Oh.
Ayun.
Ha? Ayan na, they're eating.
Oh, throw. Isa throw.
Are they eating the fish na? Are they the food?
Tama.
Oh, wow!
Oh.
They're eating!
Look at that. What is that?
They open their mouth.
Ali.
See their mouth open?
Oh, see that one. See that one. Good.
I think inipon nila sa iba para mabilis kainin.
There's a white color there.
Hi.
I want a white color.
Oh, enough.
Abba, I want to feed the food.
Okay.
Here.
Ang gumulda, pero yung tadi. Atta patti.
You wanna feed them?
Atta patti, ano para?
Oh, you share with them. You feed. This is for the fish, ha? Not for the kids.
white pare.
Yeah, you share with your, with your...
Give some.
Give some to them as well. To feed the fish. No way. That's alright.
Hey, who wants to feed the fish?
Little by little.
Me. Okay, wait.
Oh, look, Isa, the big one, no? Look, oh. Look, Isa, look down here. Oh, it's the big one, no?
Fish food.
I'm not eating. Hey, wait.
Don't eat, ha? That's for the fish.
See the smelling. Konja to go. Finish ah. Konja nyama pode. Okay, enough.
What do you want, fish?
Put there.
Food. Why are you eating? Food.
ಅದು ಫುಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ವೈರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಫುಲ್
Look, this one eats.
Oh, they're eating.
Di ba alam ko pag isda na overfed na mama? Smart city, please.
Hi, Isa, where are we going?
I bet.
You burp?
You burp.
Oh.
Forest?
Flower, mommy.
Flowers pala. Maliit si Mami.
It's flower.
And I see mountains. Nice. You don't like it in the park?
Hi, Isa. Okay, say hi to the video.
Yeah, you like in the buggy only. Not
Buggy
in the car?
only? Grabe namang social mong bata ka.
She knows the buggy. We went to Rotana.
Oh, puro buggy dun, di ba? Aba, panay buggy. Yeah, that's for the birds. They will drink there. Yeah. Oh, look there, oh. What color is that? Over there. Up there, oh. What color? Huh? You want no? you want to pet the bird? They will fly. They cannot. You cannot pet them because they're flying up there. Oh, so high. How about that one? Look, oh, walking. You go, go.
Hello.
Nilalakad-lakad lang siya. Oh.
Hi.
Pagkawakan niya.
I want to play.
Don't touch, ha? Don't touch.
Gusto nga daw niya ipet eh. Don't touch, ha,
Kasi
Isa.
lang nangangagat. Kapag hindi lang sa tulad ng
It
sa
will
bahay.
bite you.
Na kapag nandito lalaki, hindi lang siya ganun.
Wow. Oh, come on, come here. Oh, wait a minute.
Natayuan sila ba?
Hey.
Kukuha siya ng pagkain.
Yeah.
Give them. Maybe wild.
Ah, Mel. Aggressive. Is he aggressive?
Otherwise, lahat to buntis.
Oh, hold this. You hold this. Then they will eat. Hold it. Hold it. You have to hit it.
Them. Thank you.
Don't touch that. Only the stem. Hold the stem. Oh, two hands. Two hands. Just two hands. Ooh.
We
Oh, come here, come here, come here. You stand here.
Nagpapaskol kami ng kambing.
Sa Pilipinas. Wow.
Daming buntis eh.
Kailangan
Wait,
lumalapit.
wait.
Uy, pregnant. Wow. How
Oh,
many
ito
are
siya,
pregnant?
kawawa
Three?
naman to.
They look
Here,
pregnant.
here, below on this.
This
Your hand
black
is here.
also.
Yes.
No? Ah, she's
Because
old.
they will bite your hand. Oh. Hold here. Oh.
Ah, where's the
Oh,
baby?
there.
Ah, the 2 months old only? Big only.
Oh, wow, mommy is also feeding. Oh, hi, you pet the goat? You want to pet also?
Yeah.
Oh, pet.
Gusto niyo naman yung malapit sa kamay. Pwede naman yung malayo lang.
Sasa is feed.
Ito talaga yung
Petting the
malapit,
goat.
Ayaw magpatalo.
Huh? Look, mommy, Sasa is petting the goat.
Nabinigay mo na yung buong gown.
Mommy, oh, Sasa petting the goat. Oh, they are friends.
Asan ang pregnant?
It's a puppy.
Which one is pregnant?
Up there, dog.
The white one.
Look here, please, all of you.
Oh, look, Isa in the camera. There. Hi. Smile there. Oh, Isa.
Isa. Picture.
Oh, don't hold there. Hold here only. Wow. Oh, there. Oh, it's coming. Oh,
That's the small one.
the small one. Ah, here, Isa. Here.
Sabi, look po, there's one sleeping there, baby.
Here, Isa. Hold this one. Isa. Hold this. Oh, Isa, hold this, and then the tortoise will eat. Oh, so sit down.
Let's call the others.
Wow. Hold properly.
Watch his her hand. Okay.
He's so
Yeah.
Sasha, look here also.
cute. Oh, it's stuck on.
Sasha.
Oh, look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Oh, give it to Ate, she's asking.
Be careful, ah. Look. If it's small, you give it to him, okay? Because they will bite your hand. Oh. Bye. How about there, mommy?
The
Oh.
small one. They're coming to me.
Malakas kumagat yan, bro. Yung kamay mo, ah.
She doesn't want to eat when it's in the ground.
Na talaga?
Sasha.
Tessa, it's coming.
Oh, it's coming.
Uy, yung dila ba nila? You can see.
Whoa.
So crunchy.
Ayun, no. Let's look at the camera.
Look at
Nice.
Look at the camera. Look there. Look, kill.
yung kamay mo daw.
Great share.
Oh, give it.
They're sharing.
Because don't. He will bite your finger if you hold it like that.
You're too close.
Get the big one.
And the big one.
The big one.
There.
Oh, big one. Oh, you feed again. Oh, sit
Ayun,
down.
There's more.
You look like na.
Thank you.
You're so supportive of the pictures and everything.
Oh, the small one also is hungry.
I will take a picture of it.
Okay.
You have to feed to this one.
Ha?
Yeah. Wait, huh?
You eat first.
Wow! Are you having fun?
She's there. Here? Master Shifu.
Oh,
Shifu ba yun? Yung ano?
si ano?
Oh, is it?
Kung hindi, si...
Ah, look here, all of you.
Enough na.
Sa Kung Fu Panda. Ay, look there at the camera, Sasa.
Here, look at me.
Look at the camera.
There you go.
Give me one.
Uy!
Oh, hold this one.
Say cheese.
Oh, give it.
Sasa, look!
Look at the camera, Isa.
Uy, where are you going?
Uy, ito iba to. Kahit nasa lapag na kinain
Ito,
na.
bilis na itong maliit to.
Mabilis ang gutom nito. Malaki ang gutom nito ba? Uy, may maliit baby. Feed mo siya. There's a baby.
It's the grandma.
Oh, don't touch it anymore.
No, there also is not too old.
Not too old?
Yeah.
Baby, hindi ganyan. Hindi niya nakakagat.
Around 20 years old.
20
This
years
one?
old. Mas matanda pa yung sa...
How about the small
They are
one?
older than
This
this
is-
little girl.
Yeah. This is...
Hold it.
There have one small.
You finish? Give it. Oh, give it.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, that's it.
The bunnies?
Oh, you wanna see the bunnies? Let's go with the bunny.
Sorry, finish.
There's the one.
Hi, bunny. Hold this.
Just move from the way there.
Oh, come here. Come here. Oh, hold this.
But there's only one. Where's the other? They're resting.
Ah, the rest.
They still have the baby? Because when we came here, there was the
Yeah,
baby.
there were babies.
That is big. Now they have more
There,
babies.
of course, it's been a
inside.
year.
They have more babies again?
They have babies again. Last April, last year.
Okay, okay. April
24.
24. Then I was not here. I was on
It's
vacation.
a bit cute.
Ah.
It's a bit cute.
Yeah, very cute. What? Oh, you finish? Finish, bunny? Oh, down. Eh? Up. Watch your hand, watch your finger. Put it down.
Take this one, this one is asking food.
Isa here, oh, this one, oh. Oh, looking for food, oh, there, oh.
I'm feeding this one.
Oh, oh. You hold.
You hold it. Don't let go. You want to hear? Okay, you want to feed this one? Okay, go.
Kala mo totoo.
Go here.
Oo, up there.
Be careful kasi baka malaglag ka, anak man.
Oh, wash your head. Come here on this side.
Open.
Mm.
Oh, yan.
O, yan na lang nasa
ito
taas.
kasi yung
Yan
gusto niya eh.
Yan na lang.
This one.
Gusto niya kasi madali
Ayan,
lang
lumabas na.
nakatayo.
Somebody wants to hold a baby.
Ay, wow, Isa, there's a baby, oh. A baby bunny.
Your one hand here, ma'am.
Wait. Here.
Happy kayo dyan.
Ay, baby, ang cute. Ang
Baby!
cute
Look,
naman.
baby! Baby!
Maybe there's a baby.
Ay!
Wait.
Ay!
Ah, there are more babies over there, oh.
Ay! I think about I have lots on my hand. I think I'm about to let go.
Baba mo na, mamahulog.
Napicturean mo na?
Hold like this. Hold like this.
Ay, ganun daw palang hawak, te, oh.
Ay, pumasok!
Kikirik. Sasa,
Isa,
look, I
Isa.
have a baby.
Isa, look the baby!
Isa. Come here.
Look at the baby.
There's a baby bunny, oh. Isa.
Sasa, I have a baby.
Eliza.
Sorry, my
Eliza, look, there's a baby bunny.
I have a baby.
Upo ka dali. A baby bunny. Oh,
You're
ipet.
attached?
Mom there.
bunny.
Oh, it's so fluffy.
Come here,
It's
baby
soft.
bunny.
It's very soft.
It's a baby.
Yeah.
Bunny, come here.
Let's go inside.
Yeah.
There you are.
Wow.
Ayun siya sa dulo.
In the home.
Wow.
They went in the home inside.
Okay, look here, Sasha.
Oh, Isa. Smile. Look to uncle. There, oh. Wow, ang cute naman. Ang fluffy niya. Grabe.
Malambot pa yung mga
Oh, you
balahibo.
feed the baby, bebe.
Oh, you feed the baby. Here, Isa.
Isa, you feed
Here.
the baby.
Feed the baby.
Picture.
Oh.
This one is.
Blurred. It's okay.
And that's fine.
It's okay. We will just delete it.
Yeah, which one is good so you can.
Yeah, that's a lot.
It's better to
You have
just
to
take
give?
a lot and then we will choose. Thank you so much, brother. You're so supportive.
Hello.
Bye, baby
Bye, baby. Bye, baby, bunny.
Guest.
For the guest.
Yeah, the guests want to win. They want to feed, so we give them.
Sushi pancake.
Oh, wow.
Huh?
Oh, there.
They're rich.
Wow.
A reindeer.
They're so big.
Oh, very big.
A reindeer.
So how do you give?
Feed one by one, just like that. See, they don't do
It's a
anything.
Bambi.
Oh, look. Look.
Check this one.
Ang laki, oh, nakakatakot.
I will give you more.
I want to give the, oh, here. Hold that.
Sir, feed one by one.
Yeah, be careful, okay? Hold this on the tip and then give.
Enough na. You had a lot.
Ang dami naman itong binigay.
Mami, hawakan mo nga ito.
Natakot ako.
Mami, hawakan mo nga ito.
Check this. Give it to me. Your mobile phone now.
Lumabas na yung dila. Pag lumabas na yung dila.
Check this
Ayaw
one
ko.
also. If you
Okay.
Sabi ka naman, you want to kiss me na.
Ay, grabe laki nito.
Wow. They're looking at my hand. Kasi they know I have a food.
Hold on the tip.
Check this now. Go there. You also feed. I will take a video in that.
Okay.
So big.
Who else
Go that
wants
side,
the
ma'am.
treat? Huh?
Small one.
Ah, it's the tongue that will take the whole thing.
They will eat your hand. Be careful.
Here, anak. Here, kids, hello.
Mami, see, nasa yung camera.
Bakit ano?
Takaw nitong malaki.
Gusto pancake? Ah, takot siya. Here. Here. Somebody is calling me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello? Yeah. No more.
Hold it. Ayun, no?
Ay, babala. Ang dami babala. Ito itong nilalagyan mo.
Ako, babe. Kunan mo ako dyan.
Ha? Thank you.
Wow!
Check your camera, I will take a picture. Check that food and come all up there, I will take a picture.
Okay. Tayo raw lahat. Okay. Patay mo na.
Hi! Oh, where do you wanna go? Oh, I want to ride this seahorse, mommy. I will ride the seahorse. Oh, you want to ride that? Okay, you go up. I will ride this one. Can you climb? Oh, step up. Whoa, oh, oh. How about you go in front? You will drive. Back only? Can you go down?
No, Daddy. I want to buy my shirt. I can.
I'll put your legs there.
Daddy? Smile.
How about the rock ball?
Huh?
Rock ball.
Oh. Are you having fun? You having fun? Go. Sasa's feet. Whoa. Whoa. Whee. Well, what are you doing?
Baby.
Can I drive also?
Okay.
Wow. Vroom. Beep beep.
Two hands.
Whee. 2 hands. Shh. Can I see how you do it? 2 hands. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, 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 oh. Good job. And beep beep.